Creating a style brochure has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design a professional-looking brochure in just minutes. Whether you are promoting an event, showcasing a business, or sharing information, Canva offers the tools you need to make your ideas stand out. Start crafting your eye-catching brochure today and watch your audience take notice. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a brochure in Canva. So the first step that we have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. If you already have an account, you'll find this account. So this is my account, as you can see. And if you don't have, you have just to sign up and write your email address and your password, then you get started with Canva. So Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including brochures, with its intuitive drag and drop interface, pre-designed templates, and extensive library of images and fonts. Canva makes it easy for anyone, regardless of design experience, to produce professional-looking brochures tailored to their specific needs. So here we have an design spotlight brochures. As you can see, you can just click over it and you will find brochures. Well, you can just search for brochures here. For example, I will write brochures and let's wait for it. So here we have Canva templates. We have here the brochures. So you click over seal to see all the templates and you choose the one you want. So also you have the option to filter if you want for business or for other things. So you will just wait for the brochures. So as you can see here we have the templates, so choose the templates that you want, or you can just click over filters here and we have here the niche that you want. For example, as write it for business, you can click over business and you will find like documents, presentations, whiteboard, flyers, websites, graphs, planners, letterheads, calendars, and other things. Also we have here the option of social media. For example, if you want to something related to social media such as Instagram Reels, Facebook covers, and we have other things like Pinterest pins and Twitter posts. Then we have here education also, such as we have here subject, grade, and resource type. Then we have here video like Facebook video, mobile videos, YouTube videos, and then we have marketing. For example, here we have brochures, so I'll click over brochures like that. So the first thing that I choose, for example, here we have here one. Then we have also, if we want the format, that you select for example this one or this one, and then we have the style, language also, then we have theme, feature, grade, subject, and then we have topic also, and here we have the price. For example, I will select free one, and also if you want a color, you will select the color that you want, then you click over apply. So once you click over apply, you will find the niche that you select. For example, you will find only the brochures with a free price. So for example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find other page to design and modify all, like we have you modify the background and you add some text and you do whatever you want. For example, here we have the brochure, have your marketing brochure. So first of all, we have here, if you want to zoom like that, zoom out, and we have here zoom in, and also here in the top we have some other options, like if you want to move this one down, and we have the hide page, lock the page, and we have also if you want to duplicate the page and delete the page and other page. So I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, and we have the background. I will select for example I'll select this one, and then I will select the background on this one. As you can see, So for example, I will delete also this one, and I will write, for example, and I will go to the text here, and I will add a subheading like that, and I'll put it here. So let's wait. I'll put it here, and I will write, for example, I will choose first of all the color. So I will choose, for example, this one, and I will select, for example, marketing, or I will just write business. I'll write it with business, business brochure, as you can see. So here we have it. Also, you can just select this one and you write, for example, you select if you want bold or you want italic. So here we have it. I choose the italic one, and I'll put it here like that. Also, I want to delete this one, for example, and here we have it, as you can see. Then I'll put this one here like that, and I will just modify the background. For example, I will select, for example, this one like that, or this one if you want also. And here we have it, and then you type, for example, you add a little text here, and you put it here, for example, you put it here, and here we have it like that. Then also you can modify this one and you write whatever you want. And then we have here also this one. So for example, you would just choose the color of background, for example, like that, and also this one, and also if you wanna like this one, then here we have this option. So for example, if you wanna add, for example, the number, I will just go phone number. I will write, for example, phone number like that, and you'll find here the all, and here we have graphics if you want photos, videos, shapes, and other things. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, here we have it. We have here the all, for example, phone number, icon, contact number. So you just have to select the one you want. For example, I will just go to the graphics here like that, and I will choose, for example, the one you want. For example, I will select this one. I'll put it like that, and I will just put it here, and I will add, for example, here the number phone. I will go to the text like that, and I will just write, for example, add a little bit of body text. So here we have it, right? I will just put it here, and I will write, for example, the phone number like this one. And here we have it, as you can see. So Canva makes it easy for anyone to create beautiful brochures quickly and efficiently. With its simple tools and wide range of templates, you can bring your ideas to life and effectively connect with your audience. Start designing your brochure today and see the difference it can make. So this is how it works with creating brochure and Canva. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.